Hello, I'm James from Crayola. Welcome to Creativity Tips. Today's session is on winter watercolor. Winter is the coldest season of the year, and we usually see lots of snow and ice. How do we determine the start of the winter season? In the northern hemisphere, the Earth's axis is tilted its furthest away from the sun. On this day, the sun travels its shortest path in the sky, making it the shortest day and the longest night. This day is known as the winter solstice, the official start of the winter season. For this activity, you will create a winter watercolor painting. You will need paper, watercolor paint, liquid glue, markers, and table salt. For this winter-inspired artwork, let's begin with drawing a snowflake using liquid glue. After the glue is dry, grab your marker and trace the outer edge of the snowflake. Next, grab a paintbrush and begin adding watercolor paint to the background. Ready for a creativity tip? While the paint is still wet, begin sprinkling salt on the background. Notice that the salt will begin absorbing the watercolor. When completely dry, gently rub the salt off the paper. How will you share your winter watercolor with family and friends? Parents and teachers, post young artist creations on social media. Thank you for letting your ideas shine today and stay colorful with Creativity Tips.